Hello, this is Debbie the Brown Fairy for Brown Fairy Creations. I'm coming to you today for a quick video. Since it's close to Easter, I thought I would share another one of my Easter embroidery designs that I sell on my Etsy shop, BrownFairy all one word. And it's called the Bunny Peeker. And it's real quick and easy. And I thought I would share with you how I make it. And if you're interested, you can go to my Etsy shop at BrownFairy. I'll leave a link in the bottom. Okay, so right now, at this point, you should already have your fabric, your towel, whatever you're using as your base. You should already have that hooped, stabilized, and ready to go. So we're going to start with our first placement stitch like we normally do, and then we'll add the glitter vinyl applique on top. Okay, here's our placement stitch. I'm making a T for my baby Trayvon. Okay, so now I'm going to place my HTV glitter vinyl on top. Okay, I'll cut that out. Okay, so as you can see, I got the T all cut out. And now we're going to do the placement stitch for the bunny's head. Okay, and so now I'm going to put that same blue HTV heat transfer vinyl on top of the bunny's head. Okay, make sure it's fully covered. Okay, and I'll cut it out. You should have thus far, you should just have your T and your bunny head covered in fabric, HTV, vinyl, whatever you're using. Okay, so now we're going to do the little button nose, okay? Okay, so this is how it looks with the little button nose. So I am going to add my Ultra Solvey Water Soluble Stabilizer on top now at this point, okay? And now we're going to do the eyes. Okay, so we're going to do the eyes. Okay, we're going to do the inside of the bunny's ear. And now we're ready to do the outline of the tee. Okay, so now that the satin stitch is done for the tee, we're going to do the decorative stitch that goes on the tee also. And I'm going to put that in white. Okay, so that's done. And now we're going to do the satin stitch around the whole bunny. Okay, so the left ear is almost done. I'm going to finish off the right ear. Okay, the right hand is done. Now we're going to go on over to the left. Okay, we're finishing up the left hand, and now we'll just do the whiskers and we will be done. Okay, now we're doing the whiskers. I did the first set of whiskers over because I wasn't recording and I thought I was. Put it on tape, I just redid it. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so here's the final product. It came out super cute. So this is our little peeker bunny. I do sell this design at my Etsy store at BrownFairy all one word, and I will be leaving the link in the description. So this is a new channel. Please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And once again, thank you for watching my video. I will talk to you soon.